How to change background color on Instagram Story. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background color on your Instagram Story. It's not an official built-in feature, but there's a simple trick you can use. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and swipe right to create a new story, or just tap the plus icon at the top. Make sure you're on Story, then snap a random picture. It doesn't matter what it is. This is just the starting point. Now, tap the three dots at the top and select Draw. At the bottom, you'll see different colors to choose from. Pick your favorite, then tap and hold anywhere on the screen. The background will instantly change to that color. Remember, the trick is holding your finger down. Next, tap Done, then go to the sticker option and select Photo. This lets you pull an image from your gallery. Choose the photo you want, resize it, move it around, and even add stickers or text if you'd like. Once everything looks good, just hit Share and you're done. Your story now has a custom background color with your photo on top. And that's it. Super easy, and looks way better than the default Instagram background. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.